My name is Mem-chemfre Henry. I'm the facility in charge at Mem-chemfre Health Center. Mem-chemfre Health Center shares border with Bruben, and we are having some challenges in terms of network in our community, which is affecting our service delivery. For example, now Ghana Health Service, before any facility you request for your commodities, the drugs and the non-consumables, you have to request through the guillemets, which make use of the internet. But because the area we are challenged in terms of network, you have to move to Donkokrom before you can even have access. And also, again, in terms of our CPD, anytime you want to go online, check other things, maybe you need certain information to make decisions on patient conditions. Because we are limited, it also affects us. So for the CPD, almost I have to move to Donkokrom anytime I want to go and see my continuous professional development course, which is affecting us. So we will be very happy if stakeholders, other NGOs will hear us and come into our aid. This is our consulting room, where we attend to our clients. As you can see, we have a tabletop desktop here. What we use this machine for is to process the NHIS claims. Now, health insurance has gone paperless, so we are no more using the hard copies. At the end of the day, any patient who comes here, we do the entries on the machine. Then we are supposed to sync, but because we don't have access to internet, we have to carry this machine, the system unit, every month to Donkokrom for this process, which is also affecting us. It has even affected the machine. So it's almost like every quarter we have to go send the machine for services. So I'll be very glad if we'll be able to have internet access within the community.
Network no more dey politics. Ekere say jam na almost see we no almost say anyama bi wo network ni ayira. Na nso kaira for the ayira kaira de no.
Kaira de no.
To dey bi eba.
Ba ekroma no de network ni nyetu.